You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody good. You know say we're here on a rainy Saturday morning with some kind of bad news. Some just have to go straight to the stories. Dancehall promoter and member of the British link-up crew, ONEY British, has been found dead. Yeah man, sad news. ONEY British passed last night in an unfortunate situation. Similar situation to one of Father Fowl, ROY FOWL. But we are going to read what the news reports say. So, popular dancehall personality ONEY British has reportedly shot and killed by unknown assailants riding a motorbike few minutes after 9 p.m. on Friday. An alleged eyewitness stated that ONEY had left National Stadium and was driving along Mountain View Avenue when armed man on a motorbike shot up his car. The car swerved out of control and slammed into a column outside a popular shop. ONEY British was a member of the high-profile British link-up crew along with Owen Clark, popularly known as ROY FOWL or Father Fowl, who was shot and killed last month. Clark was buried earlier this week. So people, we all know about Father Fowl incident already. Father Fowl passed and gone one day and then bury him last week, you see me. And now as them bury Father Fowl, as them bury ROY FOWL, and next prominent member out of the British link-up crew, which is ONEY British, you see me. The man them get him, you see me, spray up the place with shot, spray him up, shot and all these things. So people, what we are going to know, we are going to play some clippings of the scene and stuff like that. But people, there are videos and photographs going around with the man actually dead, you see me, like the lifeless body. People, me a responsible vlogger and then YouTube would not accept that. So me now go put up them video there and me wouldn't do it, and me now go put it on my IG neither. So I go over there and go look if me do it. We need to have some form of responsibility when it comes on to social media and what been shared on social media. You see me? And this is a very sensitive time for the family, so I could give them some kind of space and send some condolences there. Anyway, still, here are the photographs and a few video clips.
Nobody they do our ribs take out and our back is back out. Oh God. Yeah, nobody they do. Oh yeah, we are doing. Oh God, no ball. She must have never banned her chef for her body. You see that girl there at the party.
I saw that.
So people, this come only a couple of weeks after ONEY British and his wife got married. You see it, so he's a newlywed and it's kind of unfortunate. It's an unfortunate situation. I'm not sure if the lady in the video that keep on crying out say, "Where you do down here, so? Where you do down here, so?" I'm not sure if she is his wife, but I'm definitely sure that they got married. He and a young lady got married a couple weeks ago. I have some photograph that you should be seeing right now, but I'm gonna blur out our face to respect our privacy, and based on the nature of the situation, we want to make sure keep everybody private and anonymous. Even though you might know, I'm not gonna really promote it on my platform and my channel. You see me? So I saw this comment on the popular Instagram page, and the comment read from Dancehall Today, I should add. I remember when ROY FOWL was killed, someone post a comment on another site with the news, then said she not think it done. And she hope Rapunzel keep her husband close, cause it look like them might try for him next. So said, so done. R.I.P. my Jenna. So me look under it and me see couple posts where indeed other persons have said the same thing. I was trying to find that clip, but I can't. I don't know if anybody watching right now can remember that statement. Just comment it in the comment section. And then this person comment, I'm not sure if they are related to ONEY British, but they claiming that ONEY British was their dad. I'm not gonna put the person name or anything like that. As I said, may I respect the privacy and based on the nature of the situation. He was my dad. He was a great dad, son, friend, and person. Can you imagine your phone going dead only to turn it on and it's videos and pics of your dead dad? Chano Star. Ah boy, yo, me never want to imagine that. You see me? But that's why I say based on the nature and people for stop to them thing here, yo. Like yo, when people dead, you can probably video the scene, you see me? Video the surrounding and stuff like that. But the actual lifeless body, me not really promote that video in there, you see me? Me not promote that. But people, we have to wonder, we have to look into it and we have to question it. If like a hit put out upon the British Link Up crew, because just weeks ago Father Fall drop similar way, similar situation, you see me, and bike man just ride up and shot him dead upon the spot. And right now at the same thing, bike man ride up, shot him dead upon the spot, you see me. So I don't know. I may have to tell the rest of member them, yo, uno watching the head back, uno not gonna lose place, you see me. And I really want the police force to forward and try clean it up, try to see what really go on, try investigate it thoroughly, you see me, because I know the ROY FOWL, them don't have a witness, them don't have a suspect, them don't have nobody in a custody, nothing at all, you see me. It too soon, but it come like say the case just a go cold, like nobody no know nothing, you see me. So somebody must know, somebody must can forward out and do something, because them man are some top man, them man are some heavy man, you see me. From the character we get from them, they are not a bad person in somewhat way, you see me. Them all about making money. Me no know them. You see me, can just talk off of when we read and when we research and when we hear. I don't know them personally. You see me? So it's a sad situation. Anybody who listen to this right now, but I want to just watch the head back. You see me? Stay safe, because Jamaica move away, you know. Jamaica really a move away. That's why sometimes I don't really like to do these type videos. Me mostly do entertainment and some happy video, but sometimes you just have to face the reality, you have to face the fact. Say Jamaica is a hot place, and if you don't know what you do, you get yourself in hot situations like these, you see me. And you don't necessarily even have to do nothing to get yourself in hot situations like these. It can just be a case of wrong place, wrong time, you see me. But anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget, if you're watching on Facebook, click a like on the video man and follow the page for me, please. If you're watching on YouTube, that's my main channel. That's where me do most of the things them, you see me. Big up yourself if you watch on YouTube. Click the subscribe button, click a like on the video, share the video, and make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Wanna know your thoughts and everything, like what you think about the whole situation. You feel like say it's an it put out? What you think about the whole situation? You feel like it's a it them put out on the whole British Link Up crew, or you just feel like it's an unfortunate situation, a thing of wrong time, wrong place? Me no know. Let me know in the comment section. You see my people? So, I want to stay safe. You see it?